Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share top 5 skills of freelancing in 2022 to earn money online. So first of all, I will tell you what is freelancing. Freelancers or self-employed individuals are the people who work for their clients without committing to full-time employment. Freelancers often work on multiple projects for different clients simultaneously, and they often handle contract work on a part time basis or full time by signing an agreement before starting. In this agreement, the type of work and pay scale are usually determined by the agreement, which may be by the hour, day, or depending on the task, wherever both parties stand on common ground. Now, what are the benefits of freelancing? On the one hand, one has the flexibility to choose their own work and choose their own working hours and decide when to work, as it is not compulsory to work at a fixed time. It's just that the task is finished before the deadline. On the other hand, you work from your comfort zone. You can also choose who you want to work with, what you want to skip, and what project you want to work on. Your earnings are determined by your level of expertise in your field or skill set. Now I'm going to share few important skills for online jobs as freelancer in demand. Number 1 is social media management. Social media management can be described as the process of creating, publishing, promoting and managing content for the purpose of increasing awareness and reach of any business through many social media channels, which may include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn and many more. It is more than just updating your social media profiles, it is also engaging with your audience in search of new opportunities and ways to reach the greatest number of people. A social media manager manages the entire profile of the company on different social media accounts. As the audience's presence on social media has grown, so has the demand for social media managers. Before doing any social media marketing, you also need to decide whom to target and where to target, what and when to target. After you are done with deciding the above factors, you can choose the right social media platform accordingly based on your target users based and their preferences. A social media manager must keep up with the trends on the interest of their users and possess the knowledge of search engine optimization. One must have the skills in writing user-friendly content, creating eye-catchy graphics, and analyzing the data of user interaction, keyword analysis, SEO, SEM, paid marketing, and further improving the strategy of their social media handles to increase the reach and interaction among their target audience. Next is the mobile and web development. As there is an increase in the footprint using the internet, our different websites, so is the increase in demand for mobile and web developers. In mobile development, mobile applications are created using appropriate programming language as are applicable for Android and iOS users. These applications relate to a remote computing tool using the internet, while web development is referred to as building, creating, and maintaining websites. This includes web designing, web publishing, programming, and database management. As the term implies, web refers to websites, web pages, or anything that works over the internet, and development refers to the process of creating an application, which is further divided into two parts: front end development and back end development. Generally, these mobile applications or websites are created to increase the brand visibility of businesses through sharing the information of their products or services using an eye catchy and user related content, so that their targeted users can easily avail their product or services through their web or mobile applications. Some of the skills required to work as freelancer in this field are WordPress, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and PHP. Next demanding job is data entry. Data entry is a non-core process for most of the organization and is usually performed over different forms of data such as spreadsheets, handwritten, scanned documents, audio or video. Cleaning of the data is a major part of data entry. These jobs don't require any special qualifications or any specific skill set. They just require competency in a data processing software like Microsoft Office with accuracy and efficiency. Another excellent freelancer skill in demand right now is content writing. Day in and day out, we are all consuming various types of content through social media. Content writing involves extensive research, keeping up with the news and current affairs, etc., and knowing the interest of your target audience, like what kind of content they are consuming, and then one can create content that can appeal to their target users. Once their target users have started sticking around their content, they can market their products or services as well through their content in a way that can help them earn a decent amount of money as well. Though it appears easy to write content, it is rather a profession for any freelancer who wishes to make decent money. It is in high demand because businesses and blogs require a superior quality of content that is knowledgeable and involves its readers. However, one can write content in any of the language in which they are comfortable and their audience can connect with it. Still, most of the content is written in English because of a common understanding of it among maximum readers. Next is the yoga. With an increase in the consciousness of the human being towards their health and lifestyle, there has been an increase in demand for yoga instructors. In recent years, yoga has emerged as a great career for every yoga professional. We all know that the 21st of June has been declared as the International Day of Yoga by the United Nations, and this has also increased the popularity of yoga. The benefits of yoga are well known, so demand for naturopathy and yogic culture has increased in the last few years all around the world. Yogic gurus are charging heavily for every session they perform. Many online channels are also available that offers free yoga trainings, and with great practice in various forms of yoga and a great knowledge of how yoga can cure one's disease easily can help one in making their rewarding career in this field. If you are serious about freelancing, then grab a pen and paper before you continue. I have seen a lot of freelancers that struggle to get their first job, and that is not because freelancing is hard, it's just because they don't know the process of how to get started as a freelancer. Freelancing purely depends on the field in which you want it and the skills you have for it. I have seen freelancers who are running their families and homes by the money they earn online. For every difficult field, there is a different scope. Not like that there will be no scope for a specific thing or skill, but that it will be low or high. If you do a full time job, you are considered as an employee of the company you work with. If you choose not to do a full time job and manage to find clients and get work based on your skill set, it's called freelancing. Like a bird is free to fly wherever it wants to, and so you are on your own and free to work with anyone as long as you serve them well. I hope this video helps you a lot and everything is clear now. The information presented here will give you an idea about the skills which can be strengthened to start your successful freelancing journey. If you like this video, then also share it with your community using social media and help others in getting benefited with it. In case if you feel that I have missed something important in this video and needs to be included for its betterment, feel free to share your suggestions with me in a comment section. Stay connected with me and to be aware about the different career opportunities in other fields as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.